Now, this thing they will say, prove that the left hand side is the same thing as the right hand side. Right, so we will focus on the left hand side because this is pretty much, very much simplified. So we say cos to the power 4x plus sine squared x cos squared x. What we will do is we will find the common factor. In this case it will be cos squared x. Here we'll have cos squared x plus sine squared x divided by 1 plus sine x. This thing here is 1. I'm gonna do this quickly. 1 equals to sine squared x plus cos squared x. Then this, if you play around with this, cos squared x. If I take the sine to the other side, so I'll have cos squared x equals to 1 minus sine squared x. So that means I can replace this with 1 minus sine squared x divided by 1 plus sine x. Now, at this point, there's a magic we could do. It's called the difference between two squares. So this is a square, this is a square. This is a square, this is also a square. So you should be able to recognize. If you're not able to recognize, it's a problem for you. So now this thing here is 1 minus sine x and then 1 plus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x. Now this whole thing at the bottom is 1 term, and right here we have 1 term but 2 factors. So this one will cancel this one. So this one goes once in here and it will go once in there. Then we remain with 1 minus sine x, which is the same thing as the right hand side. Now the next question is, for which values of x is this expression undefined? Now an expression to be undefined, the denominator must be 0. It doesn't matter whether it's x plus 4 divided by 0. As long as there's 0 at the bottom, this whole thing is going to be undefined. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 plus sine x and we are going to equate it to 0 to make this thing undefined. So then we have sine x is equals to a negative 1. Now this, if this is 90, this would be 270. So 270 is where x is, this is where the sine x is equals to minus 1, right, at this point here. So that means our x should be 270 degrees, and everything that follows after that 360. Doesn't matter anyway, but our x should be, if x is 270, then what we're gonna have is, let's say this thing will repeat itself again. Boom boom, this is 180, this is 360. So the next thing here, it will be another 360. So when x equals to 270, this expression is going to be undefined. This includes things like negative 90. It will make this thing undefined. Negative 90 will be something here. This will be a negative 90 right here. This expression will be undefined. Thank you.